Welcome back to AutoView Pro, where we dive deep into the most extraordinary machines on wheels, and today we are about to explore something that feels like it shouldn't even exist, yet it does. Imagine the wild, raging power of a Lamborghini supercar combined with the luxurious, expansive comfort of a motorhome. Sounds like a billionaire's fever dream, right? Well, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is here to prove that dreams like this can roll right onto the highway in non-apologetic style. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, an event, a statement on wheels that screams speed, elegance, and ultimate exclusivity. Lamborghini has stepped into a world traditionally dominated by brands like Prevost, Numa, and even Brabus, but with their own unmistakable Italian flair, raw performance engineering, and a level of design detail that borders on art. The very idea of Lamborghini building a motorhome raises eyebrows because we're used to their Huracan ~inverted exclamation mark N and Aventador tearing up racetracks, not carrying a full-size bedroom and kitchen. But 2026 is the year they broke the mold. From the moment you lay eyes on the Lamborghini Motorhome, it's obvious this is not a converted bus or a camper with a supercar badge. It's a ground-up design that takes the company's nether-sharp, aggressive lines, the aerodynamic sculpting, the signature Y-shaped lighting elements and stretches it across an imposing yet somehow sleek 45-foot masterpiece. The front fascia looks like it was lifted straight from a futuristic concept car, with angular LED headlights, an active aero front splitter, and Lamborghini's signature hexagonal air intakes. It sits low for a motorhome, with adaptive suspension that can raise or lower depending on whether you're parked at a luxury RV resort or gliding down the Autobahn. And yes, this is one of the few motorhomes in the world designed to cruise comfortably at over 115 miles per hour, although whether you'd want to is another story. Under the skin, Lamborghini didn't compromise. The powertrain is a marvel. At the heart of this beast is a specially tuned 7.0-litre twin-turbo V12 hybrid system, producing an insane 1,500 horsepower combined. The hybrid component isn't just about saving fuel, it's about torque delivery, smooth acceleration, and the ability to operate in whisper-quiet electric mode when rolling into a luxury neighborhood late at night. The V12 roars to life with that signature Lambo exhaust note when you want to feel alive, but it can also slip into stealth mode, gliding along on electric power alone for up to 60 miles. The transmission is a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch unit, sending power to all four wheels through an advanced AWD system adapted from Lamborghini's supercars but scaled for this much larger machine. There's also rear-wheel steering to help maneuver this massive vehicle with surprising agility. Lamborghini claims 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds, which for something weighing over 20,000 pounds is borderline ridiculous. Step inside, and the world changes entirely. You're no longer in the aggressive, fighter jet cockpit of a Lamborghini supercar, you're in a penthouse suite that just happens to move at highway speeds. The design team worked closely with Italian luxury furniture makers to craft an interior that feels like a Milanese luxury apartment. The floors are finished in carbon fiber weave with inset Italian marble in key areas. Seating is wrapped in hand-stitched Napa leather and Alcantara, with contrast stitching that mirrors Lamborghini's signature hexagon and Y-motif designs. Every surface is tactile, every button feels precision machined, and every panel lines up with obsessive attention to detail. The living area features a massive sectional sofa that can electronically recline into lounge mode. A 98-inch 8K OLED display slides up from behind a wall panel for entertainment, and the sound system is a bespoke Bang & Olufsen 3D audio environment tuned specifically for the unique acoustics of the cabin. Voice control lets you manage lighting, temperature, window tint, and even select between various interior moods, such as track-inspired red accents or calming blue ambient lighting for late-night drives. The kitchen isn't just functional, it's gourmet. Full-sized Sub-Zero refrigerator, induction cooktop with precision temperature control, built-in espresso machine with customizable grind settings, and even a climate-controlled wine rack capable of storing up to 50 bottles. The countertops are a mix of carbon fiber and volcanic stone, providing durability with a unique texture. There's also a concealed extendable island that can turn the kitchen into a chef's prep station. Moving into the bathroom, Lamborghini has taken cues from private yacht design. The shower features a rainfall system with adjustable water temperature presets for each passenger, walls lined in backlit onyx, and a smart mirror that can display news, weather, or your driving route. The master suite is in the rear, offering a king-size bed with a memory foam and gel hybrid mattress, an adjustable reclining frame, and a full-ceiling starlight system inspired by the Lamborghini CA*N's interior lighting. The suite has its own 65-inch display, a walk-in wardrobe, and even a small private balcony that extends when parked, perfect for sipping espresso while overlooking the coastline. For the driver, Lamborghini didn't skimp on the cockpit experience. The driver's seat is more like the pilot's chair in a Jetta, fully adjustable with bolstering that adapts to the type of driving you're doing. The steering wheel is a carbon fiber masterpiece with haptic controls, while the digital instrument cluster blends augmented reality navigation with performance readouts. You get a full 360-degree camera system, night vision, and even AI-assisted lane management for long highway drives. The dashboard wraps around in a sculpted arc, giving you the feeling that this enormous machine is still a Lamborghini at heart. Technology integration is next level. The entire vehicle runs on Lamborghini's proprietary Lux operating system, which ties together every aspect of the motorhome, from driver-train management to entertainment and climate control. You can access everything via the 20-inch central touchscreen, voice commands, or even from your smartphone anywhere in the world. Security is handled with biometric entry, encrypted GPS tracking, and a built-in drone surveillance system that can launch and land from the roof for a 360-degree view of your surroundings. The roof also houses a fully automated solar panel array that can recharge the hybrid battery system and power all onboard amenities without firing up the generator. Speaking of the generator, it's a whisper-quiet unit that runs on either traditional fuel or hydrogen, making this one of the most eco-conscious luxury motorhomes ever built. The suspension system is fully adaptive, using predictive sensors to anticipate road conditions ahead and adjust damping in real time. This not only makes for a smoother ride but also ensures the Lamborghini motorhome remains stable even at higher speeds. Outside, storage compartments are motorized and open with the swipe of your hand, revealing customer luggage matched to the vehicle's interior trim, Lamborghini branded outdoor furniture, and even a deployable awning system with integrated heating and cooling for year-round comfort. For those who travel with toys, There's an optional rear garage bay capable of carrying a Lamborghini Huracan Ensterato, jet skis, or even a compact helicopter drone. Driving the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is unlike any other RV experience. You don't just cruise, you command the road. The acceleration is addictive, the handling far sharper than anything of this size has a right to be, and the braking system carbon ceramic, of course, brings all that mass to a stop with ease. The active aerodynamics not only improve efficiency but also keep the motorhome planted at speed, while the hybrid system ensures you can roll silently through scenic routes without disturbing the peace. In terms of customization, Lamborghini offers nearly limitless options. You can choose from a palette of exclusive paints, including matte finishes, pearlescent multi-coats, and even color-shifting shades. The interior can be tailored with rare woods, exotic leathers, and bespoke furniture layouts. Want a mobile recording studio? A cigar lounge? A fully equipped gym? Lamborghini will make it happen at a price. Speaking of which, this rolling piece of art doesn't come cheap. The base model starts at around $3.5 million, but with options, most customers will easily push past $5 million. Yet, for the kind of buyer this is aimed at, cost is irrelevant to it. It's about owning something no one else has. On the open road, a Lamborghini Motorhome turns heads in a way few vehicles can. You can park it next to a fleet of supercars, and it will still steal the show. It's a symbol of living without compromise, of refusing to choose between adrenaline and comfort, speed and serenity. It's about taking the Lamborghini spirit beyond the racetrack and into every corner of your life. Whether you're parked on a cliffside in Monaco, cruising through the Swiss Alps, or pulling into a private airfield. In creating the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, the brand has done more than just build a vehicle. They've redefined what's possible in the world of luxury travel. It's proof that the lines between categories of supercar, motorhome, yacht are starting to blur, and that when you apply enough engineering, creativity, and yes, money, you can create something truly without precedent. This is not for every neo, it's for the few who demand the ultimate in every aspect of their lives. For those who want to travel not just in style, but in a moving piece of automotive history. So as we wrap up our deep dive into this magnificent machine, one thing is clear: Lamborghini has once again proven that they are masters of performance, design, and sheer presence. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It's a lifestyle statement that says, why not have it all? And if you have the means, why wouldn't you?